Hi, in this video we are going to solve an intermediate level SQL problem. Okay, so in this case we need to head to sqlpractice.com. The link is going to be in the description, and then we need to click on hospital DB because we are working with hospital data. Then we need to click on view all questions. We need to select difficulty medium, and we need to scroll down until we see the question which says show all the columns for patient ID 542's most recent admission date. We select that one. We get rid of this. And we can begin solving this problem. So I suggest to you solving it first on your own. Give it a try. And if you are stuck or don't know how to approach the problem, or if you want to compare your solution with mine, you can resume the video and we can do it together. Okay, so first of all, I can take a look at the table we will be working with. So this is the admissions table, and if I click on the green arrow, we can see the rows inside. Also, if I click on expected output, I can see how the output should look like at the end of our query, or what the query needs to return. And if I click on get hit again, I can see some keywords I can use to solve this problem or to use inside my query. And if I click on get hint one last time, I can get a solution portion, but as you can see, there is no portion I can see. So we are blinded and we need to figure it out by ourselves. Okay, so let's understand the problem. That's the first and most important step in order to solve this question. So it says show all columns for patient ID 542's most recent admission date. Okay, so let's break it down and do it step by step. So first it says show all columns. Okay, so to show all columns, I just need to select everything from the admissions table. And then it says for patient ID 542, where patient ID equals 542. And then it says most recent admission date. So I just need to, because okay, so if I run this, I can see that there are two admission. This patient went to the hospital. So this patient with the ID 542 went to the hospital twice, one in 2018 and one in 2019. Everyone is for a different diagnosis. It was attended by a different doctor, etc. So it's a different admission, but we only need to show the most recent admission date. So we only need to show this one. How are we going to do that? Okay, maybe we could just say where admission date equals 2019 and everything, but let's imagine that we are not able to see this output. Okay, we don't know what is inside the admissions table. Imagine we can just see this. Okay, we could scroll down manually and find the patient ID, or maybe what if we don't have anything at all? Okay, we don't have anything at all. Only with the information at hand, we need to solve this problem. So how are we going to do that? Okay, we need to say we could do two things. First, we could do a subquery, for example, where admission date equals, and then I need to subquery select admission, select max admission date, I need to close this in parentheses, from admissions. So if I run this query, it's going to show only the maximum admission day. So if I just run this selection, you can see the maximum date, it's this one, 2019. So I can do this. Okay, this is going to show the answer, or I could also do the following. I can do the same as I did here. Maybe it's not necessary to, I can do this now. Or another solution is this. I can order by admission date, and I can limit 1. Okay, so what I'm doing here, okay, I'm ordering by the admission date. I'm going to the first row is going to be the biggest admission date, or the largest. So in this case, this one. The second one is going to be the 2018 one, but I just want to show only one row. So for that I'm using limit 1. So I can do this, or I can do this also. Where patient ID and admission date. Maybe if I do this, and instead I do also this, and if I close this, maybe I can get everything. Okay, so let's see if it is correct. So I will run this query, and it says incorrect solution, where patient ID it says no rows to display. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Admission date, equals select max admission date from admissions. Okay, what am I doing wrong? From admissions. Okay, maybe instead of doing this, I could do the second one. And if I run this, okay, I get the correct answer. Okay, so I don't know why the other solution wasn't correct. As you can see here at the alternative solutions, one alternative solution is exactly the same as I was doing it before. Maybe I had some misspelling or something like that. Oh yeah, maybe because I wasn't using this where patient ID equals 142 in the subquery. Maybe that's why. But as you can see, we did it one way or another. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.